Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in Canton today picking up a post test from a mitigation we did last week for a customer who called us with a level of 8.4. We went ahead and came in and installed a mitigation system here. In this specific case, we used a GX5 fan from Radon Away that allows us to get a little bit more draw for older homes that are built on either crushed limestone or clay or a more dense material beneath the subslab than the aggregate gravel we're used to seeing. So we have to increase the pressure of pull that we get off that fan, so we'll use a bigger fan, in which case it worked out really well. We were able to drop that radon level from 8.4 down to 0.1. So again, another really good mitigation. And we'll go ahead and take a look outside of this place as well, so hang tight. Hey guys, we're outside here at the Canton house, and you can see here we got our system all installed on the back side of the house here with that big GX5 fan. There's a designated switch right there, running up 12 inches above the roof line, and everything's looking good here. So again, please stay tuned for more content, and thanks for checking us out.